Hello, 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 and welcome to our private fitness community. We are so excited to get you started on reaching your health and fitness goals. I wanted to make this video real quick to show you how to easily navigate through the website so you can find your program materials, your workouts, your meal plans, and everything else. But before we get started on that, let's make sure that you have downloaded the apps. The first app that you want to download is the My Challenge Tracker. This is where you're going to upload your workouts, your superfoods, your nutrition. So you want to make sure that you have that loaded. Make sure that you've added in your measurements, your starting weight, and you've done your before pictures. They're going to be super important. The second app is going to be your Beachbody On Demand. This is going to give you access to the workouts, the meal plans, and everything else from your laptop or your tablet or your phone in case you're not on your computer. Now, once you've done that, you want to follow exactly where I'm going so that you can access everything on your computer. People always ask and they want to know how, and so I would like to share that with you right now. So, the first place that you're going to go to is teambeachbody.com. This is going to be similar to the same website that you used to complete your enrollment in our fitness community. Once you have logged in, and you should see your name, okay, you want to hit the Beachbody On Demand tab. Once this opens, this is going to open up the library to all of the amazing things, your workout programs. There's a blog and a community. There's all types of amazingness that happens here. You want to first click on workout programs. This is where you will access every single workout program that you have access to. So again, whether it's the military boot camp, whether it is Sean Week, whether it's size, whether it's yoga, whether it's cardio, dance, everything is here. Now, if your website does not look similar to mine, so if it's asking you to purchase something in addition to what you've already done, stop here and contact your coach. Normally it takes about 24 to 48 hours for all your programs to be loaded, but again, don't hesitate to contact your coach to ask questions. But you want to make sure that you are logged in, most importantly, okay? Now, once you are logged in and you've clicked on workout programs, you're going to want to click on the program that you're going to be doing. So for instance, if you're doing 80-day obsession, you're going to click on 80-day obsession. This is where all your workout programs or all your workouts are going to be. Now, 80-day obsession, if you don't know, is done in 3 phases. That is why you see phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. There's also peak week. There is also weekly obsession where you can watch behind the scenes with the crew, which they always provide some additional information. It's really good to watch. But once you get started, this is where your workouts are going to be. So day 1, day 2, you just click play and it's going to get started. But before you start on the workouts, it is important for you to go to the program material, because you've got to learn about your containers, how many containers you're eating, which meal plan you're eating from, before you even get into that next phase. So if you're in the US or Canada, you're going to click on the 80-day obsession starter guide here. If you are in the UK, you're going to click there, okay? And once you click on that, it's going to open up a PDF. It's going to take you here. You're going to want to read through, because it talks about working out, your time nutrition, refeed, self-care, all important. And it gets you started. Step 1, step 2, okay? So once you've gone through this, you will know how many containers you're eating out of from each plan, or you'll know your calorie intake, okay? The next step is clicking on the nutrition. This is where your food list is going to be. And there's a food list for the United States. There's the UK. There's your vegan. Okay. And so You're going to click on that. And next, this is going to give you your container, food list, and give you ideas of foods that are in each one of those containers. Keep in mind that your foods that are at the top of the list are going to be your healthier foods as opposed to the ones down at the bottom. So again, you're not having to guess or think about or try to create any foods. They're all housed right here. In addition to the food list, next on the list is going to be your actual eating plan. That is what you determined from the first starter guide, okay? So for instance, if you're eating from Plan D, you're gonna click on Plan D. Initially, it's going to tell you your container count. This is what you are targeted to eat every single day, okay? And then it breaks it out and goes into your workout blocks and it gives you examples. You want to make sure that you read over all of this. And at the end is your menu planner. This is going to be especially important if you're just getting started. I guarantee you, if this is your first week, you're going to want to print out this meal planner. I would print out the food list, print out the starter guide, print out everything. But you're going to want to print out all of this and write out what food you're eating for each plan. Okay? And there's also some examples as well. Those are the 3 things that will get you started with this program. There's also the calendar. So once you're ready to start with the workouts, you want to go here and get your workout calendar. You can track your progression by using the tracker sheets, right? It helps you to know how strong you were, how many reps you did, first phase, second phase, and just to watch how you have grown. But again, click on it. It'll pull up the calendar so that you know, in addition to being listed in the first page, you're going to know exactly what workout you should be doing on what day. Definitely handy and useful to have nearby. Okay? That is the breakdown of the 80-day obsession program. Now, if you're doing one of the other programs, look, let me click back. Beachbody on Demand, remember? If you're doing any of the other programs, it's going to be the same thing. You just click on them and then you go into the program materials to get your meal plans and your container counts and all of that good stuff, right? Workout programs. One thing that I want to mention is if you're looking for the additional recipes, you want to go to Fixate. This is the cooking show, and all of the recipes are like 5 minutes or so, and they're constantly adding new recipes. I would heavily recommend going in and taking a look because there's everything from breakfast recipes to your entrees to your sides, your soups, everything. And it's so well worth it to check these out. There's so many recipes. And again, as you see, that tells you how long each episode is. So you get to watch Autumn, the creator of 21 Day Fix and other programs like 80-Day Obsession, and her brother, who is a chef, break down exactly how to cook these meals. This should help you out a lot, okay? So those are the main things that you want to get out of your Beachbody on Demand. If you're on your, like I said, your computer and you're just clicking away to get started on your programs, this is what you wanted. This is where everything is going to be housed, okay? So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to post in the private fitness community or to ask your coach. But we highly recommend posting in the community because we guarantee if you have the same question, other people do as well. Hope this helps. And again, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you so much.